Okay, so here we have our two functions, cosine of x, which is down here, and 2 minus cosine x, which is up here. And we set these equal to each other. And so you get, if you move the cosine over and then divide by 2, you would get where is cosine of x equal to 1. And so that's equal at 0 and 2 pi. But you probably already knew that from looking at the picture. This is 0 and this is 2 pi. Okay, so then we set up our integral from 0 to 2 pi, and then we have top minus bottom, so it's going to be 2 minus cosine of x, and then minus another cosine of x dx. Okay, so this is the integral from 0 to 2 of 2 minus 2 cosine of x dx. Okay, so find the antiderivative. We get 2x minus 2 sine of x evaluated from 0 to 2, and this is equal to, now we plug that in, we get 4 minus 2 sine, oh, whoopsie, sorry, this is 2 pi. Oh, glad I caught that one. So this is going to be 4 pi minus sine of 2 pi, which is actually 0, and then minus, if I plug in 0 there, I would just get 0. So this is just equal to 4 pi. Okay, so we're finding the area between tangent of x and 2 sine x from negative pi over 3 to pi over 3. And so if you set these equal to each other, you would actually find that they're equal to each other at pi over 3 and negative pi over 3. And so notice how the functions on top and bottom switch, and so you would have to find, I guess we're sort of skipping step 2. Maybe we should just write it down. So tangent of x equals 2 sine of x. And when you solve this, you get x is equal to pi over 3. Okay, so then your integral, remember, since there's 3 intersection points, we're going to have to split it up from negative pi over 3 to 0. I guess you would have also found 0 as one of the intersection points. And in this case, tangent is on top. So this would be tangent of x minus 2 sine of x dx. And then plus the area from 0 to pi over 3. So it's going to be from 0 to pi over 3 of, now 2 sine of x is on top. And you're going to subtract tangent of x. Now, you know, that's fine and dandy, but notice how the area right here, this area, and this area, that's symmetric. So the area is actually the same. So instead of doing both of these, what's going to happen is you're going to get the same thing twice. Might as well just do twice the integral of one of these two. So let's just say from 0 to pi over 3 of 2 sine of x minus tangent of x. And this will be a lot easier. Okay, so then what we get is 2 times, now here, the antiderivative of tangent, this one is a little tricky. So why don't I split this up, and I'm going to have to do this one separately. So let's say I'm looking for the antiderivative, the integral of tangent of x. So to find this one, actually, you need to turn this into sine over cosine. And then we need to use integration by substitution. So I'll go through this kind of quickly, because this isn't really our focus. But if we let u be cosine of x, then du is negative sine of x dx. And so then I just need to add a negative sign inside and outside. And so we have this right here, negative sine of x dx, that's du. And then down here I have u. And so this is equal to minus the integral of du over u, which is negative natural log of u. Okay, so that's what or in other words, negative natural log absolute value of cosine of x. Okay, so this is what this red guy is going to be, the antiderivative. So here I have 2 times minus 2 cosine of x, and then the antiderivative negative tangent of x, that's going to be end up being plus natural log of cosine of x. And this is going to be evaluated from 0 to pi over 3. Okay, so hopefully that wasn't too fast. But so then we just plug everything in. So we have 2 times negative 2 cosine of pi over 3 plus natural log of cosine of pi over 3 minus 2 times, I'm running out of room here, so I think I'll just plug in, well, I'll just move it over. Okay, negative 2 cosine of 0 plus natural log of cosine of 0. Okay, so this is equal to 2 times cosine of pi over 3, that's 1/2, so this is going to be negative 1 plus natural log of 1/2 minus 2 cosine of 0 is 1, so negative 2 plus cosine of 1 is cosine of 0 is 1, natural log of 1 is 0, so that's just negative 2. So this is going to be negative 2 plus 2 natural log of 1/2 and plus 4. So this is equal to 2 plus 2 natural log of 1/2, which is equal to 0.61.